I'll show you how to make the healthiest and easiest no-bake keto cheesecake with these few simple ingredients. So these are my ingredients. I have some butter, vanilla, sweetener from Finally Keto. I have some frozen berries, mascarpone cheese, 4 Greek yogurts, some coconut oil, MCT oil. I have some walnuts, pecans, gelatin. And I have a mixing bowl and some extra tools. Alright, let's start by preparing gelatin. I'll use 5 sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 5 sheets of gelatin, which is around 10 grams. And I'll have to soak it with some cold water for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the crust. So I'll be using this 23 centimeter springform pan. You can also use a smaller one if you wish. I'll add 1 cup of pecans to my blender and 1 cup of walnuts. And I'll blend them. Alright, so these are ready. Now I have around 50 grams of butter and I'll just shred it. I'll prepare the berries. Perfect. 2 cups of frozen mixed berries. Now let's finish up the gelatin because it's been more than 10 minutes. So you have to take it out and squeeze excess water. I'll add it to a new dish. And then you just have to add 3 tablespoons of hot water, not boiling. So I'll use water from my coffee machine. And I just have to mix it. I just added a bit of extra water. Alright, the gelatin is ready. I'll leave it on the side. Let's finish up the crust. So we have some nuts and butter in here. I'll mix. I'll add 10 ml of MCT oil. And 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. I'll add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. And for the sweetener, we're gonna use this Finally Keto soft brown sugar alternative. So this is really amazing. It's erythritol, stevia, and apple extract to make an equivalent to brown sugar. And it smells amazing. Can't wait to try a cake with this. I'll add 1 tablespoon. Wow, this looks like brown sugar. And it says 100% as sweet as sugar, so you can use as a 1-to-1 alternative. 0 GI, sugar-free, plant-based. Love this brand. And I'll add a small pinch of salt. Because my butter was not salted. I'll land my springform with this parchment paper. And I'll cut the corners. Now let's add the crust. It's simply amazing to make desserts with natural whole foods. It's a superfood cheesecake. Who said quitting sugar has to be boring and miserable? You can literally make cakes without sugar. To be honest, I even prefer homemade sugar-free keto cheesecakes. Alright, this will go to rest in the fridge while I prepare the rest. Now, the most fun part, making the filling. So I'll add these Greek yogurts and mascarpone. So I have 4 Greek yogurts, each is 125 grams. And I kept everything at room temperature for a while. It's always recommended when preparing your desserts to keep things out of the fridge. And that's a good time to add your gelatin. Here's how it looks. It's gonna give a lot of texture. I'll add little by little and mix it in. This will add extra health benefits. That's your collagen. Good, all the gelatin is in. Time to add mascarpone. 250 grams. Also nice and creamy, kept at room temperature. This will give extra creaminess. To make this extra ketogenic, I'll add some MCT oil, another 10 ml. Now I'll add more of this delicious finally keto sweetener. I'll start by adding 4 tablespoons, one by one. 2, 3, and 4. It seems to be mixing really well. So I just tasted it, it needs a little extra. Let's add 2 more tablespoons. And make sure to avoid any artificial sweeteners because those are really unhealthy. Things like sucralose, aspartame, these are not healthy. My favorite sweeteners are stevia, monk fruit, and erythritol. Perfect. And I'll add some vanilla. This sweetener already gives a delicious taste because it's apple flavor. So I'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And mix it in. Oh my god, it tastes so delicious. I could already eat the whole thing. But I'll wait. And there's one optional step. If you want, you can add some lemon juice, around 1 teaspoon. But at this moment, I'll skip because it just tastes amazing. And now the final step. Let's add the filling on top of the crust. Wow, this looks so beautiful. So this is going in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours. I can't wait until the morning. So preparing this cheesecake was super easy. I could do it every week. It's the morning now. The cake is ready. I'll just have to add the berries. So just look how stiff it is. If I put it upside down, it doesn't even fall out. It's gelatin. Beautiful cake. I'll just add it to the plate and release it from the pan. Wow, so perfect. Just look at this beautiful cake. Can't wait to try some. All right, let me cut a piece. Beautiful piece of cake, wow. What a beautiful keto cheesecake with berries, love it. Wow. Wow, that's one of the best keto cheesecakes I've ever made. Wow. It's just perfect. Love this creamy yogurty texture and berries, a bit of sourness. The sweetener fits perfectly. It's just so good. You should definitely try it out.